In this video, we're offering our picks for the 6 best robot vacuums on the market. Whether you don't like vacuuming or you just relish any opportunities to introduce smart tech to your home, robot vacuums are cool pieces of gear that can ultimately help make your home smarter. You know what we're talking about. Those little automated robots that roam around and clean your house for you. Who wouldn't want that? It might surprise you that there are actually a ton of robot vacuums out there. So choosing one isn't exactly easy. Not to worry though, we're here to help. We've sifted through numerous websites and consumer reviews to present our 6 recommended products. Okay, first up, the Deluxe iRobot Roomba S9 Plus. We're kicking things off with the big cheese of robot vacuums, the Roomba S9 Plus. The iRobot brand has become ubiquitous in the robot vacuum world, and the Roomba S9 Plus is its best model yet, garnering praise for its thorough vacuuming capabilities, particularly when it comes to cleaning corners and along walls. The big party trick of this vacuum, however, is its ability to empty itself in the included docking station. You can also do things like mapping out your home space via the iRobot app for more accurate vacuuming. Yes, it's expensive, but most slashing-edge smart tech usually is. The budget pick, iRobot Roomba 692. We go from one end of the spectrum to another next as we look at another iRobot model, this one being super affordable. The 692 may not be able to empty itself or have particularly sophisticated home mapping tech like the S9 Plus, but it still gives you an automated 3-stage cleaning system that can tackle everything from hard floors to carpets. You can also schedule this vacuum's cleaning times via the iRobot app, and eventually, the vacuum will learn your routine and suggest cleaning regimens for you. It's also compatible with voice tech like Alexa. The value pick, Eufy by Anker Boost IQ RoboVac 11S Max. Hovering somewhere in between our 2 previous picks, this Eufy vacuum offers excellent value. It is particularly discreet when compared to other models due to its quiet operation and slim profile that allows it to weave in and out of and under furniture more easily. It also boasts Boost IQ technology, which automatically increases suction when tougher jobs are detected, overall making it more effective at dirt pickup. If a discreet and great value for money robot vacuum is what you're after, this is a no-brainer. The no-go line pick, Nito Robotics BotVac D7. We previously mentioned that the iRobot S9 Plus offers users the ability to map your home and its various rooms on its apps. This Nito connected robot model does that too, but its trademark feature is its no-go line function, which allows users to restrict the vacuum from cleaning specific areas, and this can even be customized during use. Let's say it's making rounds and you've got Lego pieces all over the floor. Just draw a zone around it and your bricks will be safe. Or maybe you've got a home full of wires under your desk. No biggie, just drop in a no-go line and your wires will be safe. The security camera one, Ecovacs D-Bot T8 AIVI. This vacuum uses a built-in camera to help it avoid household items left on the floor, which is a cool feature. What's even cooler, however, is that you can use the vacuum to see and speak to someone in your house remotely, which means it can double as a makeshift security patrol device. Aside from its security camera potential, this vacuum offers in-app mapping and is capable of sucking and mopping the dirt from your floors simultaneously, which in itself is pretty unique and a sought-after feature. All this considered, this is probably one of the most all-in-one models out there. The Hard Floor King, Wise Robot Vacuum. Most robot vacuums are capable of tackling various different floor surfaces, but you'll usually find that they excel at one in particular. This Wise model, for example, is a hard floor king, garnering tons of praise for its ability to effectively clean laminate and vinyl flooring. The model is also really smart too, with its app offering easy access to features like mapping and no-go zones. If you have virtually no carpets or rugs, then this Wise vacuum might be the simplest pick. So which robot vacuum should you choose? Well, price aside, if you want a solid all-rounder, either the iRobot Roomba S9 Plus or Ecovacs T8 will fit the bill. But if you don't want to break the bank, the iRobot Roomba 692 or Eufy RoboVac 11S will still do a stellar job. Just be sure that if you have your heart set on zonal mapping and voice control, that the model you're choosing aligns with your expectations. Stay tuned to Get Mojo for the most complete video product reviews.